Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best 3-axis gimbal. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Feiyutech. Model number, SPG2. Bluetooth dual mode enables the mobile phone audio interface to get better voice. SPG2 achieves the splash-proof function, which enables you to make more fun without limited on a rainy day. Low power consumption old display screen can display the parameters, current operating mode, battery power level, Bluetooth connectivity and another status of the gimbal and camera. Tripod status supports quiescent time-lapse photography, moving time-lapse photography and motion trail set time-lapse photography. Panoramic shooting, automatic framing, cool playing method enable you to lead the fashion trade among your friends. Slow motion recording mode creates wonderful moment. Number 4. Brand name, FunSnap. Model number, Capture 2S. Capture 2S provides a big array of AI-enabled features such as auto panorama, dynamic face or object tracking, time-lapse, FPV mode, dolly zoom, Phonigo mode etc., which deliver a Hollywood feel with minimal effort. Be your own director recording daily life. Capture 2S stabilizer lasts up to 12 hours running with high-capacity battery. Enjoy your outdoor time freely without worrying about the power. Tracking face or object and recording all motions in a stable shot with the time-lapse mode can compress the time throughout a day within seconds. Number 3. Brand name, Feiyutech. Model number, G6 Max. G6 Max 3-axis are equipped with physical motor locks to prevent shaking, and can be used to fix the 3-axis when balancing and packing. With the new upgrade of quick release system, you can assemble and disassemble the stabilizer in seconds without waiting for the shooting. G6 Max gimbal equipped with a low-power OLED screen. Its screen area is increased by 200% compared with G6 Plus gimbal, which more intuitively displays the parameters of the gimbal and the camera. Support Wi-Fi control and cable control, 2 ways to connect the camera, more free and easy to operate. Like with the cable control. Number 2. Brand name, Zune. Model number, Smooth Q3. Driven by the fascinating art and the advanced intelligent interaction, Smooth Q3 announces a comeback of a classic, offering a smarter experience in shooting. With Smooth Q3, a smartphone is all you need to make a great work of art with amazing effects. Whole new clearer button layout that better suits when using single-handed. 3-axis structure for a surprisingly stable and smooth footage. Classic sliding design for you to shoot and pack anytime as you go, so you don't have to miss any important moments that need to be captured. With a touch button to light you up from all angles with 3 adjustable brightness levels. Use just a single gesture to start the shooting, while you can just be yourself anywhere anytime. Available in multiple panorama modes. Always stay in the spotlight. Activate the Smart Follow 3.0 with just one tap via the Zcami app. Clone yourself up to show different sides of yourself. With Magic Clone Pano, now you can shoot multiple images and arrange them on the same screen. Number 1. Brand name, Hoem. Model number, iSteady Pro 3. Hoem iSteady Pro 3 is evoluted from iSteady Pro 2. It can be compatible with GoPro Hero 8 perfectly, supporting Wi-Fi and cable control. No matter for daily vlog or sport movement, even X Sports, iSteady Pro 3 will guarantee you the smooth footage as always. IPX4/proof design, you can take pictures and record videos freely even at the rainy day. Built-in 3600 mAh large capacity battery, iSteady Pro 3 can work as a power bank to charge your action camera while recording. Up to 12 hours battery life, never stop your creation.